Hey, welcome back guys. Josh from Defender Auto. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be putting some extended rear wheel studs on the International Scout. What I went and did is I bought some of the extended wheel studs from DNC Extreme just because it's just easier. I'm sure you can get them somewhere cheaper, but instead of me trying to source the right ones, the right depths and everything like that, it's just easier for me to buy them from them. Super quick shipping and pretty hassle free. For this project, it's not real hard. It's just a little bit particular if you don't have the right tools, like a big press or anything like that. Use a hammer instead. Normally what I do if I am pulling wheel studs through is I don't have a big press in this shop or anything like that, so I usually use an impact. Most of the time I use washers, but I went ahead and picked up one of these wheel stud installation tools. It's like a solid metal with a bearing inside. It's supposed to help not deform the lug nuts so much, but I tend to just toss one or two lug nuts away after I use them. But first thing we're going to do, I already got the back of the truck jacked up. We're going to go ahead and take off the rear wheels and go from there. Alright, once you get the wheel removed, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and slide the brake drum off of the assembly. Sometimes they can be stuck because there's a groove that is worn into the drum itself, just because of long time being used. You have to just back off the shoes on the backside using a flathead screwdriver, the brake adjustment tool. I know mine are good because I recently did mine. So what we're going to do, we're going to slide off that drum and take a look. Alright, so after we got the drum slid off, what we're going to do, use a 2.5 pound mini sludge. All we're going to do is you can tap the studs back through the flange of these. Once I get all 5 of them knocked through, we'll go ahead and pull the other studs through. Alright, now that we got the stock ones out of the axle, what we're going to do is going to take a new center wheel stud. All you're going to do is snake it into the back here, just like so. We're going to use our new handy dandy wheel stud installation tool, slide it over the wheel stud, take a little lug nut. I'm going to punch out the back just so the thread can go. So like I thought, it's not gonna have enough juice to do it. I'll grab my corded impact and I'll go ahead and put it on the rest of the way. Alright, so what you want to make sure of is that you have your stud pressed all the way in. It can be kind of misleading from the front because you don't know how far it should sit in, but if you look at the back of the flange here, see if I can get it to focus in, that should be sitting flat with that face, and that's how you know that you've seated that stud all the way. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do the other 4 of them, and that'll be it. Alright, so I went ahead and finished up the driver's side there, got wheels put back on, got everything torqued down to spec. Driver's side went on without issue. So the reason I actually ended up going with the longer wheel studs is because on my truck I'm running the aluminum wheels that have a thicker mounting flange than the steel wheels do. And so with these new studs on there, I can get a lot more grab for my lug nuts. Just a little peace of mind, especially when heading down the highway in this thing. So if you have any questions, concerns, comments, like, subscribe, check out the Instagram, all these links, check out the other videos somewhere, I don't know. And let me know if you guys, what else you guys want to see, if you guys have any questions, comments, anything like that.